Welcome to my channel.
Google will make it easier to search for nearby soup dumplings, and tell you if they are spicy. Google is making it easier to find specific dishes at nearby restaurants, whether it's an AHI tartar, soup dumplings, or something else entirely. A new search feature the company announced Wednesday will let users search for a particular dish by typing its name and near me to see a list of results with images showing where it's available nearby. You'll also be able to click on each image to see details about the price, ingredients, and restaurant. The feature will also let users search for versions of dishes that are vegan, vegetarian, or spicy. Google GOOG plans to roll out the feature via the Google GOOG app and its mobile search website in the coming months, initially only in English and in the United States. Google introduced the feature during an online event where it showed off updates to its search and mapping products. The updates are meant to build on the company's long-standing goal of making it possible to search for all kinds of things in many ways. Whether that's by typing a question into a search box, taking a photo of a purple dress and typing green to indicate you want to find it in a verdant hue, or humming an unknown tune into your phone to figure out what it is. In an interview with CNN Business, Sophia Lin, Google's general manager for food experiences on search, pointed to soup dumplings, a food that, for her family, is one of the ways we bond, as an example of an item that the dish-specific search feature will make easier to track down. You can currently use Google to look for dishes at nearby restaurants, but the results can be hit or miss. For instance, when I searched early this week for soup dumplings near me, the top results included several restaurants that had soup and/or dumplings, but not soup dumplings. That's because the search engine currently plops you into a list of restaurants it thinks are related to any dish-specific queries. Sometimes, a restaurant listing will include the dish you're looking for, sometimes it won't. And even if you do find evidence of the item you want, such as in a user review surfaced along with the restaurant listing, you might not get much detail beyond its availability. To make the new feature accurate, Lin said Google is drawing on data from sources including reviews, photos, and videos submitted by users to Google Maps, from details that restaurants use to do things like update their menu information, and from some restaurant websites. The company uses artificial intelligence tools to help it sort through the information, doing things like highlighting dishes that are likely to be vegan or